If you want to stop recurring charges on Stripe, follow these simple steps to manage your subscriptions effectively. This guide will help you navigate the process easily. Step 1. Log into your Stripe account. Access your Stripe dashboard by logging in with your credentials. Make sure you have the necessary permissions to manage subscriptions. Step 2. Navigate to the Subscriptions section. Once logged in, locate the Billing or Subscriptions section in the left-hand menu. Click on it to view all active subscriptions associated with your account. Step 3. Identify the subscription to cancel. Browse through the list of active subscriptions and find the one you wish to stop. Click on the subscription to view its details and settings. Step 4. Cancel the subscription. In the subscription details, look for an option to cancel or end the subscription. Click on this option and follow any prompts to confirm the cancellation. Step 5. Confirm cancellation and check for recurring charges. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the shrc.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. By following these steps, you can effectively stop recurring charges on Stripe. If you have any further questions or need assistance, consider reaching out to Stripe support for help.